Welcome back to Fired Up Garage. Today we've got a 1966 El Camino we're checking out here. Thanks for watching.
The 1966 El Camino. It's the reverse mullet of the muscle car world. It's all business in the back, party in the front, with the front of that Chevrolet V8 under the hood, but then you also got the pickup truck bed where you can throw in a sheet of plywood or two. We used to have an El Camino that we used to run parts to the junkyard, and I remember many times throwing parts back there and being able to drive in style on the way back from the yard. So it's just a great truck. It's got a lot of upgrades on it, those aftermarket wheels, disc brakes, you can see their power brakes under the hood. It's got aftermarket AC on it, that 327 under the hood, very potent. We had the chance to take this one around the block and it was running good. Inside it's black vinyl, it's got buckets. It's got the floor shift there on the console for the automatic, and just a great looking color combo on this. That beautiful paint outside matches this black interior perfectly, and so just a great truck all the way around. It still has that kind of stock look going on, but it's been restored and is just a joy to drive and a beauty to take in. We checked this truck out at Johnny's there in Orlando. The owner there's got a couple of classic rides and was gracious enough to let us check this one out, and his friend Dave showed it to us and took us around the block. It was a great morning. There's that 327 with the Holley carburetor on it, aftermarket AC, power brakes, and this thing does not drive like a 1966. This thing drives like a modern truck. We enjoyed it very much, and it was a beauty. This one's actually for sale right now. If you're watching in late 2022 or early 2023, it may still be available. It's going to be going to Mecum for the auction there. It is currently available, so if you're looking for a muscle car or truck here, it's a little bit different than all the others. No Mustang, no Camaro. You don't want to be like the other guys at the show. This El Camino may be for you. 1966 El Camino. Great ride, and also had a great morning looking at it.